Okay, so the work that you are unsure of. First of all, in question 2, we're looking at volume of a cuboid. So what we need to remember is the volume of a cuboid is the length times the breadth times the height. So for instance, in this question, if we had a length of 5, a breadth of 6, and a height of 7 centimeters, then you're going to be doing 5 times 6 times 7. 5 times 6 is 30, so 30 times 7 would be 210. It's a volume, so we have cubed units. Okay, you can use a calculator for that one if you need to. Now, question 4 and question 5 are both solving equations. That is the work that we've been doing in class for the last 2 weeks. So I would suggest that you go back and look at that if you've not already done so, because what that is highlighting to me is that you've probably not been trying to tackle the classwork, you've just been tackling the homeworks. Okay, but you need to do the homeworks to be able, you need to do the classwork, sorry, to be able to do the homeworks. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of examples. Okay. So I'll kind of do one of each, but you're going to have to go back and look at the classwork as well. Okay, you can't just skip that and try and keep up with the homeworks. You're going to have to do the work and try and join live lessons where possible so that you can get the help that you need with this. Okay. So let me do these two first of all. These are the two that we would have done last year, and then question 5 is the questions that you should have been learning about that are new. Okay, sorry about that. Right, so first thing we look at is the +2, and we do the opposite, so we take away 2 from both sides. So that leaves us with 6x on this side, leaves us with 18 on that side. From there, it's 6 times x, so we do the opposite. We divide by 6, and that gives me x equals 3. When you're doing B, which is the one with the brackets, first step is to multiply at the bracket, so 3 times 2p is 6p, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, then from there we add the 9 to both sides, because that's the opposite of taking away 9, so I get 6p equals 24. Then 6p, remember, means 6 times p, so we're going to divide by 6 to give me p equals 4. So that would help you do question 4. Question 5 is slightly different, and you'll be able to access the work that Mr. Brown's put up for everyone, okay, to help you with this as well. Now just give me a second to make sure I can get this to work. Okay, so we've got 13a plus 2 equals 5a plus 10. So the thing that we've been learning about over the last 2 weeks is we look for our smaller letter first. Our smaller letter is 5a, so we're going to deal with that. It's a plus 5a, so we do the opposite, we take away 5a. 13a take away 5a is 8a, and we've still got the plus 2. 5a take away 5a is 0, but we've still got the 10. And what that then leaves us with is an equation like we're already used to solving. So we take away the 2 from both sides, gives us 8a equals 8, and then we divide both sides by 8, and that'll give us a equals 1. If you're still struggling with that, I suggest you go back over the work that's been set for you for the last 2 weeks, you read through the PowerPoints, and that will hopefully help you.